It lights up. Oh my gosh.
This is super cute, magical. I mean, you name it, it is.
This is extra. Oh my gosh, you guys. I just put the wallpaper up and it's so cute. Check it out. Look at it. It goes from the top all the way down to the bottom. Hey Princess Squad, it's Thi
And Pham.
and it's that time of year again, you guys. It's back to school season, and you know we had to do a decorate our locker video.
Let's check it out. Okay, so over here we have this really cool gold magnetic photo grid. We also got a white fur rug, a magnetic LED tassel light. Ooh, what is this? Oh, some pretty wallpaper.
We also got these cute hanging succulent plant, more magnetic LED chandelier. These are like so cute. Wallpaper, this nice rug, a pineapple of course.
And a few of our old goodies.
No need to waste and use them from last year, you know, gotta save. Okay, so here we have our locker. I think I'm going to be decorating this purple one.
Yeah.
Nice new locker.
I guess as you're over there, I'm gonna be over here and decorate this red one.
So we have lots of cute goodies in front of us. And I say we make a contest to see who can like decorate their locker the cutest. And you guys are gonna have to vote to let us know who is gonna be the winner.
Okay.
Alrighty fam, you pick first.
Well, I do have red. I don't know, I'm liking this pink though. But I'm gonna have to go with this what is it? It looks this organic kind of, what is this
Bohemian
called?
theme.
Bohemian theme. So I'm gonna go with the white, the succulent, this wallpaper. All right, that means you get the pink and the gold, right? It's
Yep.
like the glam look.
Yeah, the glam look. Okay, and this one might have to match yours more. What do you think?
I agree.
What about this pineapple? I feel like it could go either one.
It could, but I don't know. Maybe you need it. Well, you get this one.
Yes.
There. So
I need this gold one here.
I have this. You have that. Oh, these go great with yours.
I think so too. Oh, here's yours. Okay, you guys, let's get started because I'm excited to see how this will turn out because you guys know I'm gonna win this challenge.
We'll see about that.
So we took all the goodies out of the package and oh my goodness, they're so cute. Look at this.
I know.
It's like a chandelier, but look at this. It lights up. Oh my gosh.
This is super cute, magical. I mean, you name it, it is.
This is extra. Let us know which one you like more. This gold one or this white one. Okay, let's quickly get started because I'm too excited to decorate my locker. This thing is the best thing ever. And you guys, I didn't get to the best part. It's magnetic, so it just hangs. You don't have to hook anything there. There's a battery on and off button thing here. But now let's add our cute fuzzy rug. I'm gonna add that there. And the best thing I found so far this year is wallpaper. It's super cute. You just peel off the back and just stick it on. I think I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in the back to cover this little background here.
Okay, so while she's working her wallpaper, I'm gonna put in mine. Oh my goodness, I'm super excited. Here we go. That is super easy and cute. Okay, and I love white, so we have our matching rug to go with it. And it's really not gonna be complete until I add the wallpaper to the back. It's really gonna make all that pop. So I kind of thought of a cool idea where I can pretty much start here and I can slide my wallpaper all the way up like this. What do you guys think? Doesn't it look awesome?
Oh my gosh, you guys, I just put the wallpaper up and it's so cute. Check it out. Look at it, it goes from the top all the way down to the bottom.
Check out mine too. It's super cute and super glam. I love the look. Now it's time to jazz up the side of our locker, or the door of our locker rather. cute little succulent plant. So at first, I was thinking I was gonna add it here, but I didn't like it too much. So I'm going to place it somewhere on my door. So I'm gonna start here and leave it there. And let's add our really cool sign here. It says, dream big, have fun, be kind, love, love, and it matches perfectly. And I don't know, I think I'm just gonna add a little bit of color here too.
And for me, I'm gonna add my favorite thing of all, pineapple. I'm gonna add my pineapple right here. I just need some kind of pictures or something here. I'm not sure yet, but I also have this cute thing, which I'm gonna kind of have like slanted. Here, it comes with like clips. I got this at Target, and you can clip pictures, notes, Post-its on it. And next, I'm gonna go ahead and add, I'll put this down here for my pens.
All right, I also have some of these oldies but goodies. So this one here is great for like my pencils and my pens. So I'm just gonna put that here, I think. I'm also gonna put my, dry erase board here. Let's see, actually I have to make some room. So let's go ahead and do that. But this looks kind of sad. So I found these clothespin here, and I think I'm just gonna clip it on like this to give it some color. So here we go. Ah, much better.
Next up, I need some kind of like jazz in my life. So I've got this cute flower right here to add some color to it. And then of course, these cute magnets. That one says inspire, focus. This one, maybe I'll add it right here at the top. Hello, future. And then we have like some cute marble ones. I'm just gonna add like in random places.
And yes, I have to be extra and write my name in my locker because what if someone opens it? They gotta know who it belongs to. So let's just right here in the middle. And I'm gonna write it out first. And then we could add like little things to it to make it fun. How about some circles? Okay, and just because I'm like a really matchy kind of person, since I kind of have some pink and coral up here, I need to incorporate some of that on the bottom. So let's add some of these cute magnetic ones. It says good vibes. This one says life is beautiful. And this one says adventure. And then we just have some cute white ones and pink ones here. Let's just add them all.
Next up, I'm gonna add this cute marble whiteboard here, and I'm just gonna write something motivational. Let's see. Be fearless, you guys. You guys got this. Okay, I'm gonna add my little pen here in case I wanna write something else. Got my little pens here to fill the slots. And last but not least, gotta add my little mirror right here.
Okay, I'm gonna add some pens right here too. It also gives a pop of color. And since T said to be fearless, I think I'm gonna add something to mine too. What should I add? I'm gonna add, I know, be safe. Okay, so let's just write it right under my name here.
I think we're all done here.
Agree, I think we are.
I really like, for us, this is like the cutest like that we've done all these years. What do you think?
Yeah, but the stuff we got was pretty darn cute, so I agree.
What do you guys think? Take a look at both of our lockers and let us know whose do you like better, T's or Phams. Okay guys, before we end up this video, we just wanted to let you guys know that we know that you guys are about to enter into the 2020 school year and things are a little bit odd, strange, different.
And we just want to let you know that it's gonna be okay and we're all gonna get through it together.
Remember to stay positive,
stay focused,
and be safe. We love you guys. Okay, we're gonna end out this video right here, but as always, remember to dream big,
Have fun.
and be kind. Bye!